It's believed that drinking this tea before bed can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. The potassium and magnesium in banana peel can help to relax your muscles and promote a restful night's sleep. Bananas are a natural source of tryptophan, a precursor of melatonin and serotonin, the hormones that help regulate your sleep cycle. This drink also contains vitamin B6. A deficiency of this vitamin may worsen depression and anxiety, interfering with quality sleep. Water, 400 milliliters. One teaspoon ground cinnamon. Banana peel. Let the drink simmer for about 10 minutes. Remove the banana peel and cinnamon. Enjoy your delicious and healthy cup of banana peel tea.